BMX X20. Drifting is a driving technique where the driver oversteers while driving the car through the entirety of a corner at maximum speed. Most people associate drifting with cars, but it is also possible to do it on a bicycle. The main thing is to equip the bicycle properly. For example, with the X20 wheel from the company BMX. It can be used to replace the rear wheel and tyre of any BMX bicycle with 20-inch wheels. X20 has a unique design. Perhaps the most important feature of the wheel is the moving elements around it. They allow the wheel to slide and move. At the same time, this feature does not affect the bike's controllability. The rider feels as safe as if the bike had regular wheels. Because these moving parts are subject to greater stress while riding, the developers of the X20 have reinforced the construction with steel. The wheel weighs 4 kilograms, and the manufacturer offers 3 different sizes. The price of the X20 is $240.